too. Anyway.
Does he know about Stranger Danger?
I'm done. I had to put it onto the side for a real quick. Sorry.
Maybe if I say fried chicken?
Yeah, we should be good. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, I love that video.
Where's your mom at? I'm gonna kidnap you. Is that fine? Where you going? Yo! I got Wi-Fi. Does he know about Stranger Danger?
Anyway, sorry about that, guys. So, I'm posting this in my science class, as you can see with the I'm gonna need these. The audio is gonna be so bad whenever I actually post it.
She should be somewhere between losing consciousness and... But here she is, just standing there talking to us, acting through officers couldn't understand how this woman had such an extreme alcohol tolerance. Regardless, they charged her with driving while intoxicated and then brought her...
Sorry about that, guys. I did not really mean to. I just had to do something. It's really weird. Yeah, I know this is actually really weird. I don't even have no idea what you're watching. But as you can see, I got braces. I might get my ears pierced. But never mind, I said that. Probably not, though. Well. Oh wait, that's a copyright song. Sorry about that. Well, I hope this audio is going to be better, though. Well, should be. Make sure to like and subscribe. Try to get to 100,000 subscribers. So, bye!